Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the Process32Next. Okay, so Process32Next function basically retrieves the information about the next process. Okay, so Process32 first again records the first process only. Then Process32Next will capture the next process. Okay, so same as Process32 first, so Process32Next also have just two parameters. And that is again the handle that we got from create tool help 32 snapshot and our PE32 process entry 32 structure. Okay, so just push the offset of PE32, push H process snap, and call process 32. Okay, so now your PE32 structure now contains the information about the next process. Okay, so we can again now call our p32.szexe file to show the process name and show the process ID by first converting it to ASCII from the word and calling std. Right? So let's check our code. So save this, control, no errors. Let's open up a terminal and let's type test.exe. So as you can see, we have here system process 0. So that is our first process here. And next is system has a process ID of 4. Okay, so we can again verify this by opening up a CMD and let's type task. And as you can see, so the first process is again system and it has a process ID of 0. And the next one is again system but with a process ID of 4. Okay, so I hope you can imagine that you can just create a loop from process 32 first to process 32 next, and you will be able to list all of these processes ss.exe, csr.ss.exe, winInit.exe on. Okay, so that is all about process 32 next, and I hope to see you all again next time.